probably seen those clean white outlines around people on YouTube thumbnails. Sometimes when you put a person on a thumbnail, they can blend into the background and get lost. Adding a white outline solves that problem. I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to create that effect in Canva. The first is quicker, but I personally prefer the second method. Let's open up Canva so that we can do this together. Go to social media. One of the popular items is YouTube thumbnail. Go to upload and upload the file that you want to add the outline to. Then drag this to your design. Typically, you're going to have other stuff on your actual design, but I want you to see this simplified with no additional steps to it. Use background remover to cut out the person. This step is important because you want to outline the person and not the whole image. If you want to keep the background too, you could use Magic Grab by clicking Edit and sliding over to Magic Grab. Actually, let's just click Foreground. That should collect everything. It does. And then click Grab. We have the person and the background. You'll notice that the background remover and Magic Grab are part of Canva Pro. You can use my link in the description to try it out for free. I've been where you are. If Canva Pro isn't in your budget, you can use sites like remove.bg to remove the background and upload it back into Canva. But the tools inside of Canva work so much better and save a lot of time. Once your person is cut out, no matter which method you used, click on the person, click on Edit, and scroll down until you find FX Effects. You're going to click on this one that says Shadows, and then Outline. Scroll down a little bit. In order for it to look even better, we're going to want to customize this. The first thing I like to do is reduce the size of the outline. And the second thing that I like to do, since most of the time my outlines are in white, is change the color. I'll click on the color and then use the slider to slide all the way to white. The other thing that you can do is reduce the intensity of it, but I tend to just leave it at 100. The final thing that you can do to make this look professional is, let's just select both of these at the same time and enlarge it so that it's the size of the thumbnail. But if you look carefully, you will notice that there is a white solid line here, and that looks unprofessional. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you enlarge that so that that harsh line at the bottom isn't showing, no matter which method you use. That's the quickest. Now let's take a look at my favorite method. Before we move on to that method, I want to show you something fun. Once you have the white outline the way you want it, you can drag and drop other images to that and it will give that same outline. Let me show you what I mean. Left click this and drag it here. Let's see what happens when I let go. It removes the background and gives a white outline. Because I'm all about making things easier for you, I've made a Canva template where all you have to do is drag and drop your photo onto it, and it will create that white outline look for you. I've sent this template to my email list and also to my YouTube channel members. But if you've missed it, I will link to both of those in the description box below so that you can have it sent straight to you. Let's jump to method 2, where you have a little bit more control over where your outline goes. Start out the same way you did before by uploading your photo, dragging it onto your design, and removing the background. There's a button that looks like 2 pages together with a plus sign. Click that, or you could click your person and click Control or Command D, and that will also duplicate your image. Now you have 2 copies of the same image. On the bottom image, click on Edit. Scroll down under Effects, instead of Shadows, click on Duotone. Select Custom, and now what we want to do is change the highlights to white and change the shadow to white. This gives you a silhouette of yourself. Why do I love this? When you put it over top, it doesn't look like anything's been done. Here's where the method gets fun. Instead of having a solid white line all around your image, you can slowly move you over and just have the white line on one edge of the image, left or right, whatever looks best on your thumbnail. You can even play around with the layers. Let me show you what that looks like. Position, layers. What if I just wanted the outline on this half of me, but I didn't want an outline here? I selected that white layer. Now I'm going to left click this and drag it in. And now I just have the white outline on the left side of me. Here's a pro tip. You can actually duplicate this. So Control D or Command D, or use that little button. Please hit the like button if you love this method and move it wherever you would like as well. Select this and move it down so that you can see, and position it however you want. A little something on the right side, but I don't want it as prominent, so transparency and reduce the transparency there. Here's a quick side-by-side of the original, of the one with the shadow, and the one with the duotone. Which is your favorite? I actually changed the color of my shirt in this thumbnail. Watch this video next to learn how, and I'll see you over there. You could click your, whew, that scared the shit out of me.